Let's meet Abbie, an innovative mind who didn't just choose a major, she created an individual academic program. CUW's flexible and supportive environment enables students to tailor their education to their unique career aspirations. Abbie, please tell us how you're paving your path within the STEM field.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. Pursuing a career in data science has always been my dream, but not a lot of schools offer this program. Then I found Concordia University Wisconsin, which exceeded my expectations. With its top-notch STEM education programs and supportive community, I found the perfect place to pursue my passions and achieve my dreams. Right away, I was able to start taking coding classes as a data science and applied analytics major. I have access to faculty with relevant professional experience, starting their own businesses, partnering with industry, and creating apps, so they really know what they're talking about. My teachers also really care about me and my interests. While taking courses outside my major, I discovered a new passion for professional communication. With help from several faculty members, I created an individualized major combining data science and communication. My professors encouraged me to try everything, so I took a variety of courses and joined the Campus Activities Board, Actuarial Science Club, Computer Science Club, and the Association of Women in Mathematics. I also balanced 2 jobs and an internship on campus, and it's only my first year of college. My individualized major is a significant career advantage. I was able to handpick my classes and customize a curriculum I couldn't have gotten anywhere else. This unique education prepared me for an internship at the Region 1 Planning Council, where I'll use data analytics to improve education, the environment, and more. Through personal attention from faculty, designing my own major, and making an impact on the community, I discovered the true meaning of Live Uncommon. That's it from me. Back to you, Alex.
Abbie, you're not just preparing for the future, but actively shaping it with the skills and knowledge gained right here at CUW. Students can choose from over 70 academic programs or forge their path as Abbie did. There are endless possibilities for students to make a tangible difference in the community. Thanks again, Abbie.